It's a Super Spirograph mystery pattern from instructions published without pictures in a Super Spirograph Refill Kit back in 1969. In this video, I'm going to discover 3 of these mystery patterns never before seen, and you can discover how Super Spirograph works. Let's go! The curved Super Spirograph pieces come in different sizes. This is size D, and they go on the top and the bottom. And then they're joined by the B's. And the B's will be going upside down compared to the D's, because these ones are going to be concave with respect to the inside. And these are convex with a curve on the outside. Next to the B, we have a C. So they can be joined right side up or upside down. Calls for 2 C's here. This is my old Super Spirograph set from like 1969. I got it when I was a kid. This C piece is broken, but the curvature is the same. And so I'm going to use 2 A pieces to replace the C. The number of teeth is the same and the curvature is the same. So instead of that C, which has a broken end, I'm going to use 2 A's, a B, there's the D, another B over here, 2 C's. Oh, that one's broken too, but we're going to use a lot of putty to compensate. So there's our shape. I have a whole lot of pieces of putty here because I've been using pieces of putty to hold the super pieces in the tray. The old trays didn't have any means to keep the pieces attached. And I know I need to have at least 1 piece of putty on each segment, and maybe 2 on this one. Now, I also want to be careful not to get putty in the teeth. So it says wheel 52, green. Begin at the center mark at the top of the curved D section, which would be that, and draw holes 1, 3, and 5 in green. Now lining up hole number 3 with the same mark. And hole number 5. So that's it. That's the full mystery pattern. Now there's nothing to keep you from using different colors. Or maybe you like the monochrome look. So now I have to carefully remove the paper, but I want to keep the Super Spirograph pieces together as much as I can and reassemble them on the next papers. So the next design calls for wheel number 45, beginning at the top mark of the D section, and draw in red hole number 1. Well, that's an interesting pattern, even if I imperfectly executed it. Let's see what the third mystery pattern will look like. Yeah, this to me is an interesting shape. Got lots of swoops and curves that go this way and that. There we go. And then it says move 2 teeth and draw a blue pattern using hole number 1. There, that's cool looking. Now wheel 36, holes 1 and 3, beginning at the same center mark with the blue. So let's see what this does. So I'm going to repeat the same but with hole number 3. Nice! I think that's my favorite of the 3. If you want to see more of this sort of thing, please give the video a big like and subscribe to the channel. My website also, SpirographicArt.com, has lots more about everything Spirograph.